What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. As you guys can tell, it's just me today, and that's because my sister did this thing called a prank, and I'm gonna prank her back because that's how it goes, right? So I'm gonna be doing the slime prank on my sister. I bought this whole gallon. I don't know if it's a gallon. I bought this at Walmart, and so I already poured it in a cup so it's easier to pour and it comes out faster. And I poured a little bit of water just to make it more liquidy because I don't know, I feel bad low-key and I'm kind of scared because she is crazy and she is dramatic. So hopefully she doesn't end up killing me. So yeah, she also has eyelash extensions that cost a lot of money, so I'm hoping it doesn't get on them because I feel like she would make me pay for them. I'm not trying to do all that. I also know she's gonna make me clean all this up, so I have everything ready. All right, I'm good to go. I'm excited, I'm ready, so I'm just hoping this goes as planned. And if y'all are ready to see this go down, go ahead and hit the like button and stay tuned. She should be home anytime soon, so I gotta get ready.
Two hours later.
So that's your prank? Where's the camera? You're not even funny right now. For real? My phone. Is this gonna damage it? Bro. Why would you put it on the carpet? For real? Are you mad? Bro. My phone. She's trying to keep her cool, bro. I'm trying to look for the camera. Like, I don't know what to do right now. This isn't even like... I kind of like this. Are you really? Bro, who helped you with this? Why are you not reacting? Because I like this. Yo! What? You're cleaning this up. No, I'm not having fun. What the heck? Oh my god. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Why are you not mad? It's getting all over me, bro. Bro, where's the other camera? This? Why? Because the audio. Girl, what you think this is? Oh, you see me doing big things? What? Hold on. We need to give them a close-up on this. Yeah. Bro, is it all over my eyelashes? Because that's not coming off.
I think this is pretty successful.
You're not even funny, bro. She just popped out of nowhere. Y'all can carry me to the bath.
This is the video of the day.
No way.
Yeah.
We need to film another one.
This is why I wasn't stressing.
Oh my god.
Is it getting in your eye?
Yes. It's shutting my eye. I don't know how I'm gonna get this off of me.
I don't know.
You're so dramatic.
This is glue. Put it there and carry me.
Figure out how to do it. Don't get the carpet dirty though.
Bro, this really got all over me. Bro, I don't think this is coming off of me. Yo, if you really messed up my mom.
What?
Look at this.
I know, I see that.
The noise.
Bro, look. My eyes shutting closed. My whole body is stuck. Bro, how am I gonna get to the restroom?
I don't know, but you're not getting the restroom dirty because I'm not cleaning that. You're cleaning the bathroom.
Why is that fair? It's not. Like,
That's just
you should have thought that one through. So.
no.
Yes.
No, Maria, no.
Can you pass me like a towel at least? Oh, are you trapping me right now? Like, what am I supposed to do? Mom, what do I do?
You're gonna stick you there forever.
I'm gonna stick here forever.
Alright guys, so she got me. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie.
I was low-key scared because it wouldn't come off.
It really
her
wasn't
hair.
coming off. Like, I was scrubbing my hair so hard, like 30 times.
knows?
I'm not even kidding. Like, it was a struggle.
So hashtag Team Gina. You know?
I'm coming back way stronger, so you should be scared.
Yeah, I kind of am because she's crazy. I swear. Crazy.
No,
But
but
I feel like my dare was a subtle dare.
subtle. It wasn't coming out of my hair.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you aren't. And turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video with us.
And we just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support. We're just working really hard to come out with like much better content for you guys and better, you know, quality and such.
So sorry if the video sounds kind of different or kind of bad.
She
That's
wasn't
because-
using the mic.
That's because I didn't know how to use the mic.
She thought it was on, but it wasn't.
I thought it was on the whole time. I was like, hey, I did something. But it wasn't on, so.
Yeah, so just stay tuned for better quality, better content,
More pranks.
and more pranks, because we're coming in, you know.
We're coming in.
We're coming in. We are.
Alright. Deuces.
Peace.
Lighting in here, bro.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, bro. Stop.
really
Don't do
good
this
stuff.
to me. It got all over my eyelashes.
I tell you guys.
That's not even funny.
What I said.
Leave, like. Bro, leave.
Okay.